Today, I want to discuss egg pasterma, not pastrami, pasterma. Let's look into it. We'll start with a low heat.
Baby, you give me ice and
We will heat some neutral oil, canola or sunflower will do.
baby, you give me midnight.
Depending on where you eat this recipe, they might use some good animal fat. But here, we will be using vegetable oil.
Well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby.
Once the oil is hot,
Myself at the spine.
we will start our cooking process by dropping in some pastrama, trying to get some color into them without overcooking them. Very important to just cook for a few seconds on each side.
You're giving me wind and rain.
Remember, the slices are so thin that they don't require extra cooking or a lot of cooking.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh,
After a few seconds of cooking, flip over the pastrama.
let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby.
Now it's time to add in the eggs.
My mind. Oh,
I prefer to have my eggs sunny side up, runny. There's definitely no rules regarding the eggs with pastrama. You can have them scrambled, you can have them cooked all the way through without runny yolks. You can have them any way you like. Here we will be doing sunny side up.
you're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight.
With this recipe, we need to be gentle with the seasoning. The pastrama meat usually is well seasoned and well salted. It balances the eggs perfectly, so there is no need to add any salt to your eggs.
Wind and rain. You're some kind
All you need is a touch of the old black pepper on the eggs.
you whip up my
With that final touch, your eggs are ready. You can turn off the heat and enjoy.
oh,
The best way to enjoy this recipe is with some fresh pita bread.
oh, oh.
This recipe is so good, I want to go into a tangent and talk about a bit of history. According to many food historians and scholars and Wikipedia, the pasterma started in Armenia, while many believe it started in Turkey. Well, depending on who you ask, it might have started in Syria or Lebanon. Oh no, not Iraq. No, 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 no. Come on, come on. Don't fight. Don't fight. To avoid all the fighting and the argument, we will just say that the pastrama has started on a planet in the solar system called Earth. This is where the pastrama originated. We will just say that there are many countries that claim to make the best pastrama, like Egypt,
Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.
and Greece.
Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby.
that was the brief tangent that I wanted to go on. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. And I will see you at the next video.
You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.